Okay class. Today we are going to write 12 pages of essay about your favorite Tama. Dark Milktchi. Was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Dark Milktchi, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Dark Milktchi, how dare you burped in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. That's it. Suspended for 23 days. Go home now.
Dark Milktchi, how dare you burped in class in front of the principal? Oh. Dark Milktchi, how dare you burp at us now? That's it. You are grounded for 17 weeks. And this means no Tama for you.
But Dad, I love the movie Tama as much as I like the film.
Too bad. You're in deep trouble. You are grounded and that's final. Now go upstairs to your room now.
Wow.